Today I'm going to be making wakame rice. Wakame is a type of seaweed, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to be using this. This is already cut wakame, and it's dry. So I will be using this, and also dried bonito. Bonito, so basically it's a type of fish, and it's dried. So it looks like this. It's like fish flakes, basically. And I had a friend ask me about bonito and seaweed, so I'm gonna make this dish. Well, I make it often because my kids really like it, and it's nutritious because they can get protein from the fish and seaweed, and it's super easy. So please check it out. And I'm also gonna show you how to make rice balls out of this recipe, but I'm gonna make it a separate video, so please check that too. So first of all, I'm gonna put some water in this bowl. And then I'm going to put hot water in. I usually do about half and half. And you only want a little bit of this. It's unbelievable the amount you need. So like, that's just 1 teaspoon. And it doesn't look like much at all, but it's going to absorb the water and become big. You will see. So we just have to wait for 2 minutes. I think it's been about 2 minutes, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of hard to see, but it really absorbs a lot of water. So we're gonna drain this. You might want to rinse it a little bit. Then we're gonna cut this up a little bit. Okay, so we want this to be smaller, but depending on what you buy, if your seaweed is already small, you might not have to cut it. This is my rice cooker. This is what a typical rice cooker looks like in Japan. Okay, I hope you can see. I'm having some camera problems. It becomes blurry for some reason. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in. I'm using this. This is not what I normally use. I ran out and I went to a convenience store to buy it. So half a teaspoon of sea salt. And then we put the wakame in. Okay, I think it's working. I think if I show you something up close, it stays that way. So anyway, it was exactly 1/4 of a cup of dried bonito. I put 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds in. Okay, I gave up on my new lens. It's not working well. So anyway, this is what it looks like. You just have to stir it in.